In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bar graph to Google Slides. If you've ever struggled with presenting your data in a clear and professional way, stick around. This guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Google Slides presentation and head to the slide where you want the bar graph to appear. Next, click on the Insert tab from the top menu. From there, hover over Chart and then select Bar. Google Slides will instantly place a default bar chart on your slide. Now, this chart is just a placeholder. To make it your own, click on the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the chart and choose Open Source. This will open a linked Google Sheet containing your chart's data. Here's the fun part. Simply replace the sample categories and numbers in the sheet with your own data. As you type, your bar graph in Google Slides will automatically update. No need to copy and paste anything, it's all linked together. But don't stop there. To really make your chart match your presentation, double-click the chart back in Google Slides. This opens the chart editor where you can customize just about everything. Under the Customize tab, you can change colors, adjust data labels, tweak fonts, and even refine the overall style of the graph to suit your design. Once you're happy with your edits, click Update in Google Slides to lock in your changes. And that's it. You've just created a clean, professional bar graph that not only shows your data, but makes your presentation stand out. So the next time you need to present numbers or comparisons, you'll know exactly how to bring them to life with a bar graph in Google Slides. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to keep practicing these steps. You'll be building polished, data-driven presentations in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.